In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this smooth fast slide transition effect. So let's jump into After Effects and see how to create this slide animation. First, here we need to import all the files required for this project. Here I will import this 10 media file. Perfect. Now here we need to create 10 different composition for each media. Let's create our first media composition. I will name it as Media 1. For all media compositions, we will set time duration to just 10 frames. Perfect. Now let's add the first media file to the timeline, scale and position this media according to the composition. Similarly, we will do the same for other 9 media file, create media composition and add media file. Here I will create media composition and create 9 duplicates of it. Open the compositions and add the media files to the compositions. Perfect. Here you can see, I have created 10 media composition and have added the media files to it. Now create another composition. I will name it as slide, set composition time duration to 2 seconds. Now let's add the first media composition to the timeline, press P to bring up position. Now at 5 frames, create keyframe for position. Now at start, set position to -540. You can see the preview. Perfect. We will do the same for remaining media composition. Now let's add all the composition to the timeline. Here we will copy this position keyframes. Now make sure you are at start of the timeline. Now paste it over all the media compositions one by one. Press U to see the created keyframes. Now let's place this compositions at distance at 10 frames from each other as shown. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now for all compositions, on the motion blur, now change them to 3D. Now let's create a new camera. Create null object. Change null to 3D, parent camera to null. For null, press P to bring up position. At start, create keyframe for position. Now at end. For Z position, set it to near about 200. Perfect. Now let's create light. For light, set type to point light, make sure color is set to white and intensity to 100%. Here you can see the light effect. You can position the light according to your requirement. Perfect. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. For adjustment, in Effects and Preset, search for Curves, add it to Adjustment layer. slightly adjust the curves. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Noise. Add noise to adjustment layer. The noise set amount to 5. Perfect. Now if you want to change it to black and white, then search for Shift Channel. Add it to the adjustment layer. For Shift Channel, set change take red to blue and green to blue. Now you can see the preview. Perfect. Here our smooth fast slide animation is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you next week with another awesome tutorial.